Hi everyone and welcome to Money Matters. Today we're going to talk about 5 ways to make money with AI. Do you know that AI is a rapidly growing technology that is changing the way we live and work? And do you know that there are many opportunities to make money with AI? If you're a beginner, don't worry. In this video, we'll show you 5 realistic ways to make money with AI, even if you don't have technical skills. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like at the end of the video if you enjoyed it. Let's get started. Method 1. Create content entirely on AI. This is a method that can be used by anyone, regardless of technical skills. Imagine being able to create creative or informative content without having to worry about writing, translating, creating images, or videos. With AI, it's possible. There are many online platforms that allow users to create AI-based content, such as ChatGPT, to create scripts, ideas, and anything else as if it were your 24/7 free consultant. That's DALL-E to create images from scratch that only exist in your imagination, or Pictory AI for videos. But let's get back to us. I wouldn't want to make this video a sponsored one. Method 2. Offer consulting or AI services. This is a method that requires some technical skills, but it can be a very profitable way to make money. If you have technical skills in AI, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals. Here are some examples of services you could offer: developing AI algorithms, building AI systems, training employees on AI, strategic AI consulting. Now that you know what services to offer, you're probably wondering, but how do I find clients? You can find them by creating a website or portfolio, or by building relationships with businesses. Method 3. Automate your activities with AI. This is a method that can be used by anyone, regardless of technical skills. There are many platforms and tools that allow users to automate their activities with AI. Here are some examples of activities that can be automated with AI. Activity management, email, response, content creation, translation, presentation, creation, research, data, analysis. Freeing businesses from these large burdens would be a miracle, which is why they will pay large sums of money. And now, you're probably wondering, but how do I offer these services? You can use these tools: IFTADL, Zapier, Automate.io, Microsoft Power, Automate, Google Cloud, Functions, Amazon Web Services, Lambda. Method 4. Invest in companies that use AI. This is a method that requires a bit of capital, but it can be a very profitable way to make money. AI is a rapidly growing industry, so investing in companies that use this technology can be a good way to earn money. There are many companies that use AI. To find the right companies to invest in, it is important to do your research and consider the following factors: the company's growth potential, the company's financial stability, the company's leadership. The great advantage of this method is that it requires no skills and is very profitable. Method 5. Develop and sell AI-based products or services. This is the 5th method, is to develop and sell AI-based products or services. This is a method that requires a high level of technical skills, but it can be a very profitable way to make money. If you have the skills and knowledge necessary, you can develop and sell AI-based products or services. AI-based products or services can be very varied. For example, you can develop machine learning algorithms for sales forecasting, speech recognition models for voice assistant applications, computer vision systems for security or automation, robotics for industry or logistics. These are just 5 realistic ways to make money with AI. There is no guarantee of success with any of these methods. However, by following the tips provided in this video, you can increase your chances of success. If you want some tips to get started, here are a few. Do your research. Before you start, it is important to do your research and understand which method is best for you. Create a plan. Once you have chosen a method, create a plan to implement it. Practice. The more you practice, the better you will become. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a like and let me know in the comments below which method you're most interested in. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.